In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design your Shopify store with Debutify. First of all, we head into online store, and if you haven't connected your Debutify theme to your Shopify store, please make sure you watch my video on how you install your Debutify theme on your Shopify store. First of all, we click on Customize, and then we get in here and you can see that we are on our homepage right now. First of all, there's a lot of things. We have the widgets group right here, and these are widgets that can be added. Some of these are paid. If you have the Debutify pay plan, you can do this, but some of them are also free. But first of all, we can click on this and we can add a background. We can add a desktop image. Let's say this is about, my store is about stuffed animals. So let's see if we can find the stuffed animals. We have one right here, and we add this one, yes. And you can also add one for mobile, so you can change it. So if you have mobile, it will look different. And I'm just gonna click select right here, I forgot it. After I've clicked select, I can go to mobile and I can maybe add another picture of stuffed animals. This one might be good for mobile, so I click this one, select. And now it should depend on, if I click on mobile, it should show the other, yes, exactly. So that's the first thing you could do. Then you probably want to fit in a featured collection right here. You could do that. You could also move this part right here with the guarantees and all this further up. You can connect with icons. You can see right here. Let's just add one right here. Want to do something with shipping. So yes, exactly. So we just download SVG file. We go in here and we can upload SVG file like this exactly. It's just processing. We can add this and click on done. Now it should be changed. Yes, exactly. You can see right here. As you can see, it's in gray, but if we want in purple, we have to go in here and change the color. For now, we'll just do gray. We can also, whoops, wrong one. We can also remove this one, so there's only 3. I think that's the best. That's the ones right there. So just change something like no, let's do 30-day refund, full refund. I like to do the caps lock. I think that's more professional. And then we just add some one. Just add a little text right here. We can go over to this one. Like this, maybe. You can also add another line to make it more even with this one. So maybe I'll just type in like that, and receive your items in like that maybe. You can also add a bottom if you have a shipping policy. You can add so when you click on this icon, it will take you to the shipping policy. Like this, we can click on save for now. I don't have any. We see we have this featured selection. I'm just gonna remove this, but we have a example product right here, and I'm gonna bind this example product. Click on select right here. I'm gonna import this orange stuffed animal. This exactly, you can see right here. And that's how you design the home page. You can also add a what's it called? The bar up here with the announcement bar. There's the menu here you can add around, and there's a lot of things that you can do to go around. You can change the footer. Make sure that you link your policies down here, your contact information, all of that. Yeah, that's how you design your Shopify store with Debutify. Thank you for watching.